Imagine a world where money isn't just paper and coins, but digital assets as real as the device you're using to watch this video. Welcome to the era of cryptocurrency, a realm where Bitcoin, Ethereum and other leading cryptocurrencies are reaching new heights, scaling the financial Everest with increasing momentum. The market is growing, and it's not just the numbers that tell the story. It's the acceptance, the adoption, the sense of inevitability. Governments across the globe are not just taking notice, but actively shaping the future of these digital assets with new laws to increase transparency and security. Meanwhile, financial titans and institutional investors are diving into this ocean of opportunity, their interest piqued by the potential of this burgeoning asset class. And let's not forget the tech giants announcing plans for their own digital currencies and blockchain platforms. As the sun rises, so does the value of cryptocurrencies. This digital dawn is just the beginning. With great power comes great responsibility, and with great money comes great regulation. Around the globe, authorities are stepping up, implementing new laws and regulations to bolster the transparency and security of cryptocurrencies. These measures aren't just altering the market dynamics, they're influencing how individual investors interact with these digital assets. As the world of cryptocurrency evolves, so too must its rules. But fear not, for transparency breeds trust. Cryptocurrency isn't just for tech-savvy individuals anymore. The big boys are stepping into the playground. Large financial institutions and investors are now embracing cryptocurrencies, bringing a surge of interest and credibility to this once niche asset class. From Wall Street behemoths to global investment firms, the giants of finance are making their moves, recognizing the potential of blockchain and its underlying assets. This influx of heavyweight players is stirring the pot, shifting market dynamics in ways we've never seen before. It's affecting not only the market's liquidity, but also its volatility, providing investors with new opportunities and challenges. The entry of the giants signals a new era for cryptocurrencies. This is not just a game anymore. When technology meets finance, the result is nothing short of revolutionary. Major tech titans are entering the fray, announcing plans to create their own digital currencies and blockchain platforms. This fusion of tech and finance could reshape the cryptocurrency landscape, creating new opportunities and challenges for investors. With these tech giants stepping in, we could see an acceleration in the adoption and acceptance of digital currencies worldwide. In the digital world, the only constant is change, and in the world of cryptocurrency, change is the only constant. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, change is the only constant. And sometimes that change comes in the form of mergers and acquisitions. These strategic moves are reshaping market dynamics, altering relationships between players. In the world of cryptocurrency, today's competitor could be tomorrow's partner. In this dynamic market, anything is possible.